Introducing the OUKITEL BT101, a smartwatch that perfectly blends rugged durability with cutting-edge technology. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and tech lovers alike, this smartwatch features a stunning 2.02-inch AMOLED touchscreen display with a resolution of 320 x 390 pixels. The display is crafted with dual glass for extra protection, offering a crystal-clear viewing experience even under direct sunlight. With a military-grade MIL STD-810H certification, the BT101 is built to withstand tough conditions. It's shock-proof, dust-proof, and water-resistant up to 50 meters with its 5 ATM rating, making it ideal for swimming, hiking, or any adventure you throw at it. This smartwatch isn't just about toughness, it's also packed with features to enhance your lifestyle and fitness journey. When it comes to connectivity and other features, the OUKITEL BT101 does not disappoint. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the smartwatch ensures a stable and seamless connection to your smartphone. This allows you to receive calls, messages, and app notifications directly on your wrist without missing a beat. The built-in speaker and microphone enable hands-free calling, making it easier to stay connected while on the go. With support for over 100 sports modes, you can track a wide range of physical activities including running, cycling, swimming, and even weightlifting. Health monitoring features include 24/7 heart rate tracking, blood oxygen, SpO2 measurement, and sleep tracking to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Customization is also a breeze with a variety of watch faces and dial options, allowing you to personalize your smartwatch to match your style. In terms of performance, the OUKITEL BT101 is powered by a 410 mAh battery that delivers impressive longevity. On a single charge, you can expect up to 15 days of typical use, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The watch charges fully in approximately 2 hours, allowing you to get back to your activities without much downtime. The smartwatch's advanced sensors and efficient power management system ensure accurate tracking while preserving battery life. Whether you're navigating through your workout routines or managing your daily schedule, the BT101 operates smoothly and efficiently. The user-friendly interface, combined with responsive touch controls, ensures a seamless and intuitive experience. Its rugged build combined with powerful performance makes the BT101 a reliable companion for both everyday tasks and extreme adventures. The OUKITEL BT101 delivers exceptional value for its price. With all these advanced features packed into a durable and stylish design, it comes at a competitive price point, making it accessible for those who want a high-performance smartwatch without breaking the bank. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or someone who simply wants to stay connected and track your health, the BT101 offers a versatile and robust solution. For more in-depth reviews and the latest tech insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel, TechVibe, where we bring you the most exciting gadgets and innovations to keep you ahead of the curve. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful.